Hi guys, today I'm going to be demoing our shipping platform and showing you how to send standard shipments. Firstly, I'll get us logged in. This lands us on the profile section, which I won't bother showing you. I'm going to go straight to the important stuff in the shipment section up here. From here, you will see 6 sections down the left-hand side. I'll be showing you the top 4 here. The first 2, the custom orders and customer addresses, is what we are populating from your ERP system. You can define what information we pull to populate these sections, whether it's the sales orders, invoices, delivery notes, or anything you require. Here in the customer order section, you'll see our dummy data of orders waiting to be shipped. You can also view the detail of these orders. Of the information you can see here, we hope to get as much as we can from the ERP system to make the process as automated as possible. For example, the package weight, width, height, and length. We also have individual items contained in the order and the information that is required for export, like the commodity code and where the item is made. If this information cannot be extracted from the ERP, you can edit and save from here. You'll also see that the order is already assigned to an address. In the address book section, each address can be assigned to one or many orders. Some customers like to do a one-off upload to this section and then maintain from here. Others like a constant sync, so any changes are automatic. You can also validate address, which checks that the address will be accepted by your courier. For example, here, if we test this one, it's telling us that the postcode is incorrect. So we can then go in, edit the address. For this instance, I know that they've got the incorrect postcode. So save that and then validate the address. And that is now okay. Next is the customer contacts. This allows you to maintain a separate list of contacts that can be used on the shipping label, replacing the contact name on the address. Some customers have several contacts but only one address, so this provides more flexibility. And finally, we go to the standard shipment section. From here, you'll see a list of shipments that have previously been sent. We can also create a new shipment from here. First thing is you select your shipping provider. The demo account only has DHL activated, so that's pre-selected. Next, we have the customer orders. This list here is what we were looking at in this section. You can search this list by account code or by order number. I know the account code of the order I require, so I'll enter that. Select. Okay, you can then look at the items that are within that order. There's 2 stock items on that order, both selected to be sent by default, but you can select to only send some items. So I'll untick one of them. Now only this item will be sent. The second item will then remain on the system, ready to be sent at a later date. Then you add the order to the shipment. Next, for DHL, we have an option here to select for the receiver to pay for the shipment. You simply tick the box and enter their account number. This has to be pre-authorized by DHL though. Next, if we look at the receiver's address, you can also validate it here, which we will do. And you can see there is a problem with this address. So you can then edit on the fly. In this instance, I know that they have mistyped the city. So we correct that, update, and then validate again. Address is now valid. We then have the customer contacts drop down, which was the list I was showing you in the third section. We'll select Ben Demo, and that name will now replace Jane Demo on the label. You can also add and edit contacts from here. The weight, length, width and height is then pulled through from the order information that I was showing you earlier. You can also split the shipment into multiple boxes, which we'll do. So we'll add another box, 5, etc. And this shipment is now in 2 boxes. Next, you get the options that are available to you for this address and for these boxes. Select the option you require. You'll also see there is the price. That's done. And the remaining information here is pulled through from the order. So we then simply create shipment. You're then presented with the label. You'll see Ben Demo there being used as the receiver's name. And you also have the commercial invoice. And then finally, I will show you another shipment just to demonstrate how you can combine orders onto one shipment. So again, we'll go in here, select the customer that we're looking for. You'll see that they've got 2 orders there available to them. So we'll add the first one to the order, and then we can you'll see this list is filtered by that account code automatically. Select the second order, add the shipment. Both those orders will now be included on this shipment. You can then select the receiver address from those 2 orders, select the first one and validate. Address is valid, so no changes need to be made. We'll leave it as the default contact. For this instance, because we're combining 2 orders, we have to actually add in the length, width and height. The weight has automatically been calculated from the 2 orders. Again, you can keep this as you can split this into multiple boxes or just keep as one. It's up to you. So we'll then get the options available. Select, and again, all the remaining information has been pre-populated. The declared value has come from both orders, so it's then create shipment. And as before, you'll then see the show label and show commercial invoice buttons. Okay, I think that's everything. Thanks.